Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Wi-Fi network error in Windows 11. Chapter 1. Fix error to see Wi-Fi network from services. To begin, enter the word services in the search. Then, click on Services. Now, locate and select the WLAN Automatic Configuration service. Double-click on this service. Here, in the Startup Type field, set the value Automatic. You can apply the changes. Chapter 2. Fix error to see Wi-Fi network by reinstalling driver. To start, right-click on the Start menu, then click on Device Manager. After this, go to the Network Adapters section. Here, right-click on the Wi-Fi controller. Now click on Uninstall Device. Confirm this process and wait for it to finish. After this, go to the Action menu. Click on Scan for hardware changes. Wait for the process to complete. You can see that the Wi-Fi driver is available again. Now validate that you have access. Chapter 3. Fix error to see Wi-Fi network by updating driver. To start, right-click on the Start menu, then click on Device Manager. After this, go to the Network Adapters section. Here, right-click on the Wi-Fi controller. Now, click on Update Driver. In the displayed window, click Search automatically for drivers. Wait for the search to finish. Check that access to Wi-Fi is visible. Chapter 4. Fix error to see Wi-Fi network by configuring power. To start, right-click on the Start menu, then click on Device Manager. In the Network Adapters section, select the Wi-Fi network driver. Double-click on it. Now go to the Power Management tab. Here, uncheck the box called Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Click OK. Chapter 5. Fix error to see Wi-Fi network from system configuration. To start, enter the word misconfig in the search. Then click on System Configuration. In the window, go to the Services tab. Check that all services are enabled. If so, click Accept. Check the Wi-Fi network. Chapter 6. Fix error to see Wi-Fi network by disabling airplane mode. To activate our Wi-Fi network in Windows 11, click on the Network Access in the taskbar. Then, click on the Airplane Mode option. You can see that the Wi-Fi network is activated. Chapter 7. Fix error to see Wi-Fi network with the troubleshooter. To begin, enter the word troubleshoot in the search. Now click on Troubleshoot Other Problems. After this, click on the Run button, which you see in the Network and Internet option. A window will open where the revisions will automatically be made. Wait for it to finish to check the network status. Chapter 8. Fix error to see Wi-Fi network reenable controller. To begin, enter the word network in the search. In the results, click View Network Connections. Now right-click on the Wi-Fi network adapter. Select the Disable option. Then, right-click on the adapter again. Select the Enable option. Wait for it to be enabled. Check the network status. Chapter 9. Fix error to see Wi-Fi network from terminal. To start, right-click on the Start menu. Here, click on Terminal Admin. First of all, reset winsock. To do this, run the netsh winsock reset command. Then restore the winsock catalog. To do this, run the netsh winsock reset catalog command. Then reset the IP address settings. To do this, run the command netsh int ip resetlog.txt. Now release the IP address, run the command ipconfig/release. Then, free the IP cache. Run the command ipconfig/flushdns. Now, click on the Start menu. Then, click the Shutdown button and click Restart to apply these changes. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. You can check if you have access to the network. Chapter 10. Fix error to see Wi-Fi network by resetting the network. To start, click on the Start menu. Now click on Settings. After this, go to the Network and Internet section. There, click on Advanced Network Settings. In this part, click on Network Reset. Click Reset Now, then click Yes. Close the displayed window to log out. From the Start menu, restart Windows 11 to apply these changes. Confirm that the Wi-Fi network is visible. Chapter 11. Fix error to see Wi-Fi network by adjusting DNS. To begin, enter the word network in the search. There, click on View Network Connections. Then, right-click on the adapter, select Properties. In the pop-up window, select the line Internet Protocol version 4, then click on Properties. Confirm that the box Obtain DNS server address automatically is active. Apply the changes. Check the network connection. Chapter 12. Fix error to see Wi-Fi network by checking the proxy. To begin, enter the word Internet in the search. In the results, click on Internet options. Here, go to the Connections tab. Now click on LAN settings. In this window, validate that the use of proxy server for your LAN box is disabled. Apply the changes. Confirm the network status. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.